So we got Zane's car. We're painting it real quick. Super late decision. It's getting dark out. I don't know why we're doing it. We're just doing it because
we started like half an hour ago.
Yeah, we did. We just didn't film an intro because someone has a pressure washer and it was super loud and I didn't want it to be a part of the audio. So that's why. It looks like in the time lapse we started earlier in the day. We started like 30 minutes ago. Sanded, plastic bags over it, taped up so no paint gets on the rest of the car. We're not professionals. We're trash.
I have done this one time when I painted my mini truck, and that's about it.
We painted his mini truck in 1 hour. Full paint
That was
job.
fun. That was really fun.
That was crazy.
And it actually turned out a lot better.
Yeah.
We should have done it like a long time ago, but we didn't do it till like right before I wrecked the truck.
Yeah, that was a major throwback, bro. But anyways, painting right now. It's super last minute. He just threw the first coat of primer. I mean, I guess we have to let it dry now. But I don't know if you guys remember, his rust spot right here was really bad. Do you have a photo of it?
We got plenty of photos.
Yeah, I'll insert the photo.
We can show it like right there.
Yeah, I'll show it real quick. It was really bad before.
So I guess from what the previous owner said, he had a rock hit him over here. He was driving down the freeway, and apparently it just spread. So I don't know. Watch out for rock chips. They can spread, I guess. I have no idea.
I mean, at least we're fixing it now.
We got that shit to do too, but I'm not painting the car white right now.
Yeah, let's show them.
Top black, just cause. But that was, from me, that was at Spirit Peaks.
Yeah.
Too many tires slapping.
So we're not painting his whole car. We're just painting that because that was really, I mean, it was bugging me more than it was bugging him, to be honest. You've probably seen it in the past videos. Oh, they probably saw when we put the Christmas lights on.
The Christmas lights on, yeah, that's on there.
Yeah.
We got plenty of pictures of the car too, and that is just the worst part of the car right there.
My God.
Out of everything that's wrong with this car, that's the worst part. It just sticks out like a sore thumb.
I'm so happy we're finally fixing it though, so that's good.
This costed us, I mean, I guess we're not done yet, but $20. Yeah, we went to our rallies. That's our rallies too. You can probably do this for like $10, if not less.
Primer with sandpaper. We went from 80 to 180 to 320. If you guys are wondering.
Yeah, I used some window cleaner on it. That worked pretty good. And then I used wax and grease remover too.
Yeah. Just masking tape.
Jonathan had some. Jonathan's dad's like a professional painter.
Yeah.
But we're not having him do this. We'll have him paint the car later on.
My dad's gonna paint it later. He's gonna paint my car and his car at the same time for the top part, because I want to paint mine black. But I want to do Zane's right now just because that was really bugging me. That rust spot.
I mean, as you can see, it's getting a little bit darker right now. We probably got like what? Not much.
Yeah, we don't have much time, so
we don't have much time. So we're gonna do this as quick as we can.
I don't know how long you're supposed to let it dry, but we don't care. Second coat is on. It looks really good.
It looks like shit. Don't even.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to.
It probably looks worse in the camera too.
Yeah, I'm trying to hype it up, but it doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, it's only second coat, so we got another 2 coats of primer.
Yeah.
And we'll go straight to paint. I might sand it, might not. I don't know. I
We'll
don't have any, because the most I have right now is 320, so I might knock it down a little bit with 320.
We'll see. We're just trying to knock this out really quick.
Yeah.
Honestly, bro, we should just open up our own shop. Like, we paint, we do transmission swaps. What else do we do? We do engine rebuilds. Dang, we got everything, bro. So if you need anything, don't hit us up because we'll probably mess up on something. Yeah, he does 3 coats. And then how long do you let it sit, or are you supposed to?
I think you're supposed to let it sit for like 15 minutes, something like that. I have no idea.
But we let it sit for like, what, 20 seconds?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, I think I did a decent job sanding it down. I mean, I could have spent more time on it, but...
We literally just rushed it so quick. Do you think you'll regret it?
Hell. Alright, so 4 coats of primer. Not the best. It looks a lot better in person, I promise.
Yeah.
You can probably see everything bad on camera.
Not really.
Oh, well, it's probably going to look worse when it completely dries up, but that's on the primer right there. 4 coats in like 10 minutes maybe. So.
No, that sounds so bad. We're literally just rushing this. This isn't nothing like we're trying to make it look good. We were just trying to cover up that rust spot.
That's 1 coat of paint, so don't judge me.
Yeah, it's the first coat of black. Oh my gosh, you can see all the lines. It's too dark for us to keep showing the other coats. I mean, I'll still show you the final product though. We'll show you like the 3rd coat and see how it looks. Yeah, that's not bad. We're gonna continue the video tomorrow when it's brighter and you can actually see the paint and not right now where it's like we were struggling to show you guys. I know we should have started earlier, but we got kind of excited.
What's up?
That doesn't look bad.
Ain't too bad other than that. Don't look at that.
Oh yeah, let's show them. Let's get a close up of that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we were taking the...
it looks way worse in person.
We're taking the wrapping paper off the sunroof, and I accidentally nicked it. And I thought it would be a smart idea to spray over it to try to cover it up, and I ended up spraying too much.
Yeah. Literally for an hour job, not bad at all.
It doesn't look bad. We're gonna bump this up to 40 bucks, I guess now. I got some clear coat, wet sandpaper. We're gonna polish this out. You can get spray paint anywhere else for like probably $2-3 a can.
Yeah.
Instead of $7 a can.
So right now we're gonna sand this down and then clear coat it.
We're gonna sand it, lay another coat of color coat, and then.
Oh, we're doing another layer?
Yeah,
okay.
because you can't sand down base coat, I guess. I don't know. That's
Well,
what someone said.
Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so we did a wet sand real quick with 2000 grit.
We started with 1000 just over there on that run.
That was really bad spot.
Yeah. This was 1000 right here, and then we just jumped straight to 2000 because who cares?
Yeah.
The car's gonna get painted on later on.
During the summer we're gonna redo it. So right now we're just gonna clear coat it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta spray it. We gotta spray some base coat on there, color coat first.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll hit it with some clear, and it should look really good.
Sweet.
Like this should honestly look really, really good.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Alright, we'll show you guys when we're done.
There it is. There's semi-finished product. We laid super thick coat of lacquer on there, so that should be able to buff out. I don't know. There's not much. I mean, I guess I'm excited about it that there's no more rust spot in the middle, but
like we were saying, this isn't permanent. This is just,
it's not permanent at all.
You know, just temporary for the summer. Till the summer.
I'm like bummed about it because it looks really bad right now.
Yeah.
Because of all the clear coat that I put on there. But as soon as we wet sand this whole thing again with the clear coat and everything and give it a nice buff, this thing should shine right up.
So the steps that we took to do this was we sanded it down first, then we taped it up. Base coat, clear coat. So pretty much we sanded it down. Didn't go to bare metal or nothing. We kind of got that area where the rust spot was at bare metal. You guys should be able to see that in video, pretty sure, somewhere. Pretty much tried to feather out the edges best I could in like the 15-20 minutes that I was doing it for. Could have done a better job on it. Like I could kind of see the outline on there, but it is not bad at all. Yeah. For what it was before. For what, 30 bucks? Yeah. We were saying 20 before, but Zane bought another paint. It was 20 before, but I bought another can to touch it up with, and then clear coat, and then sandpaper. Sandpaper too. Yeah. But like I said, you can probably do this shit for 20, 30 bucks, if anything, buying the paint at Walmart. I'll rather it's right down the road. Yeah. It was a lot easier for us to grab it there. But yeah, so if you guys wanted to do that just to cover up a rust spot, I mean, hopefully that doesn't start rusting on us soon. That probably will too, but hopefully by the summertime we'll paint. We're gonna hopefully, because I know I'm painting my car during the summer for sure. Hopefully we have time to paint Zane's also. Yeah. So both of ours will look nice. That's the end of this video. Next video that comes out is either going to be taking John's motor back out or we're going to be showing you guys how to buff or wet sand and buff this out. You're going to show them because I don't know how to buff. Yeah, I've done it a couple times when I was back in detail, but I mean, it's a learning process. We're going to do it together. Yeah. That's about it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. See you later. See you later. Oh, dude, you sexy as fuck, bro.